Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today I am going to discuss about the subject called Bangladesh and Global Studies for class 3. As you all know that we have finished our first term syllabus, today I am going to discuss about the second term syllabus. For that I am going to start from chapter 5. Now all the students open your book, page number 28. Chapter 5. It is called Human Quality. Topic 1. Quality of a good person. Every person has some qualities. Peoples are different because of those qualities. What is called quality? The good part of your character is called your quality. To learn about them, let's start with the story. Raju has brought his mother to school for the farewell party of his favorite teacher, Jalal sir. So Raju has come to school for a farewell party. This is not like a birthday party. This is another kind of farewell party. When a person goes away from one place to another place, people gives this kind of party to say goodbye. The head teacher makes a speech saying Jalal sir is a good and honest man. We need more people like him. Honest, that means to be sincere. Raju whispers to his mother, "What does a good man mean?" When you go to a crowded area where many people are around you, if you yell, if you speak loudly, that is not good, that is not nice. That's why Raju is whispering to his mother. Whisperings, that means to speak softly, and asking a question to his mother, what does a good man mean? That means he wants to know what are the good parts of one person's character you should have to be a good man. His mother replies, "Good people behave well with everyone. They never harm others but help others. They speak the truth. They respect the old." Respect, that means to honor someone. They love old and young alike. Alike, that means similarly. They follow rules. They keep their promises. Everyone likes good people, just as you like your Jalal sir. If you can develop those qualities, people will like you and say you are a good person. Now here you can see there are many qualities of a person. If you have them, you can be called as a good person. Here is a picture saying the teacher Jalal sir. You can see he is taking the class. There are many students sitting in front of him, opening their book, and they are enjoying the class. Now go to next page. That means page number 29. Here you can find many exercises. Look at exercise number B. It is written qualities of good people. You will read page number 28 carefully. Here you can find many qualities for being a good people. You will find them and write them in this exercise. 4 qualities of good people. You will write them in the book. Now go to the next page, page number 30. Topic number 2, doing good deeds. That means doing good works. We should respect our elders, help others, and treat people equally. We should speak the truth and behave well to everybody. We should love all and follow the rules. These are all the good deeds. Let us look at the picture on the right. On the right, you can see a picture. A blind man is crossing the road and a girl is helping him. As the person is blind, he can't see. He doesn't know when and where to cross the road safely. So the girl is helping him to cross the road in a zebra crossing. Using a zebra crossing. The girl is helping the blind man. That is an example of a good deed. Here you can see another picture that is called a happy poor man. If a man is poor, if he needs money, how can he be happy? Let's see. A true story. One day a newspaper covered a news of a poor man. While he was walking in the street, he found a bag full of money. as the person is poor, he needs money. If someone finds a bag full of money, normally the person could keep the bag, take it to his home and spend the money for himself. But this person, he did not keep the money. He did not keep the money. He handed the bag to the police station. He gave the money to the police officer so that he could find the owner of that bag and give the bag back to its owner. Everybody read about his good deed. Some of them gave him a reward and they all praised him. That means they all admired him. Now you know that if you have done any kind of good works, everybody will like you, everybody will praise you, and there is also a chance to have a reward for it. Now I think you have understood everything. So go to the next page. Page number 31. Here you can also find some exercises. Go to exercise B. It is written, think about the things you have done this week, then write list under these headings: good deeds and bad deeds. This time you will not look at the book. This time you will think yourself that in the past week, that means in the past 7 days, if you have done any kind of good deed, you will write them under the heading good deed. And be very sincere, if you have done any kind of bad deed, you will also write them under the heading bad deeds. I want you, all of you, to write it sincerely. So this one you will write in the book. Now we have finished chapter 5. I hope you have all understood everything. It's time to get the homework. For that, I'm gonna give you some spellings. For the spellings, go to page number 28. I'm going to tell you the spellings. You are going to underline the spellings in your book. Spelling number 1, qualities. Qualities. Number 2, farewell. Farewell. Number 3, honest. Honest. Number 4, whispers. Whispers. Number 5, harm. Harm. Number 6, respect. Respect. Number 7, alike. Alike. For number 8, go to page number 30. Number 8, police station. Policestation. Number 9, reward. Reward. Number 10, praised. Praised. Now I'm going to review all the homework I have given to you. Spellings from 1 to 10, you will first learn them and write them in your homework copy. That means spellings from 1 to 10, learn plus write. Page number 29, exercise B, you will do it in the book. Page number 31, exercise B, you will also do it in the book. And I'm going to give you some homework also that you will do it in the homework copy. That is to make 5 WH question and answer. The questions that begins with W or H, like who, what, how, where, this kind of question. You will make them. You will make the questions and also you will write the answer for them. The answer should be very small, very short. Like I'm going to give you some example. Like the question is, who is Jalal sir? The answer can be, Jalal sir is Raju's favorite teacher. See, this is very easy. Like this, you're going to make 5 question and answer on your own and write them in your homework copy. When you will come to school, you will submit the copy to your teacher and teacher will check them. That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, be good, listen to your parents, and don't forget to bring the homework. Bye.